Okay, guys, I thought I'd be kind and make a short video. This is about spa water being kept clean. Now, as usual in this society, the worst products always want to compete with and eliminate the best product. Because if the best product isn't eliminated, then the worst products basically go out of business. And they can't make any money that way. If the worst products don't band together and destroy the best product, and the best product will just take over and dominate, make everything obsolete. So anyway, I wanted to preface that because I tried for years, even though I'm sure other people know about this, but it's never really discussed, and it certainly isn't like the standard that you think of or anyone thinks of. When the standard is the worst chemical in the world, which is chlorine. Chlorine is disgusting. Chlorine will harm you in so many different ways. Look it up. I'm not going to list them now. Then there's bromine, which is really almost as bad. I think I almost had to go to the hospital because of the bromine I used too much, and I had to go stand outside for 30 minutes or so in order to feel better because my lungs and nose and throat were burning from the fumes. Tried using tons of salt. One time I bought $100 worth of salt, put it in the jacuzzi, and it still got gross and nasty within a week. And so, when I say gross and nasty, I mean the water got thick. It turned brown. It got thick. It got bubbly. You could just tell it was infested with something. So anyway, floating into the picture is the best product. Drum roll, please. I looked it up. People do know about this, but not that many. The thing you want to get is this: betadine, iodine, providone iodine solution. It's the antiseptic they use for surgery. Now, the only thing people might not like about it, which is lame and superficial, is it turns water like a brown color, which is the same color it turns when it gets disgusting. But this is brown color, but it's not disgusting. It's completely sanitized. And the water's been like this for, I don't even know, I just discovered it, but it's been like this for a few weeks now, and it's staying the same. I haven't had to put even that much in it. Maybe one whole bottle worth. Probably more like a half bottle worth, but might as well go with the whole bottle because it's not expensive at all. It's like $8 or less. If you buy it in a gallon size, it's even cheaper. And I've been so impressed. The water's been staying watery and not viscous. No signs at all that it's got any kind of infestation or growth of germs, microbes at all. I'm really pleased. I would have saved a lot of time and money if I had discovered this sooner. But when you search for ways to keep jacuzzis clean, betadine iodine or povidone iodine doesn't come up. But then if you do the same search and you search for jacuzzi iodine, it'll come up and say there'll be people who have said they've used it before. So I wasn't the first one to figure this out, but I did figure it out on my own because I didn't look it up. I just tried so many things. I tried almost everything there is. I tried even using UVC lights, and in my opinion, that doesn't work either. But I tried bleach. I tried peroxide. I think all that stuff evaporates. But this iodine stuff doesn't seem to evaporate. So as long as you're not too superficial to mind a little bit of a brown tint in the water, this betadine is the best thing to use in your jacuzzi. Okay, bye.